Tonight, FLDS members, both brothers of Warren Jeffs, were in court today.
The brothers were questioned over a child labor lawsuit after reports surfaced that FLDS kids were working on a southern Utah pecan ranch.
Yeah, Brittany Tate live with more on our story tonight, and not a lot was said in court, was it, Brittany?
That's right, Mark and Christina. Not a lot was said in court. That's because the Jeff brothers say that it's against their religious responsibility and beliefs to really talk about these types of issues. However, in the last hour, the judge came down after meeting with attorneys and now has said that Lyle and Nephi Jeffs must discuss and answer certain questions about the FLDS religion and child labor.
And the question is whether they can ask specific questions into the internal workings of the church and things that involve purely religious matters.
Lyle and Nephi Jeffs, brothers of FLDS leader Warren Jeffs, left the federal courthouse victorious Wednesday after Judge David Sam found the pair do have sincerely held religious beliefs.
Said no comments.
The two refused to comment outside the courthouse, which only continued the silence which occurred on the stand.
Sorry, they haven't answered just about any question about the commercial activities of the FLDS church, or where the labor comes from, or where the money goes once business is conducted.
Polygamy reporter with the Salt Lake Tribune, Nate Carlisle, tells 2 News the government has served subpoenas on Lyle and Nephi Jeffs for years, trying to get them to provide documentation on child labor practices.
The FLDS maintain that they have a religious tenet that forbids them from discussing their religion with anyone outside their religion.
Religious questions that they simply shouldn't have to answer, that have nothing to do with the purported pecan picking.
Holy cow.
According to court documents, Labor Department investigators believe as many as 1,400 school-aged children and their mothers participated in a pecan-picking harvest. Children apparently taken out of school and forced to work long hours.
In the past, I've seen them here past dark, and in the wintertime when it's cool. I don't let my kids out.
A rancher from Hurricane told CNN FLDS members come nearly every year for the late nut harvest. And again, this case stems from the December 2012 case where there was a nut harvest in southern Utah. Again, just in the last hour, we have learned that after meeting with attorneys, the judge is saying that, again, these 2 brothers will have to discuss some questions in regards to the FLDS religion and child labor. Back to you.
All right, Brittany, thanks.